Renovations and flips are all about efficiency. Now these floor tiles are being chopped out. So the question is, what is actually better, manual or electric? Now let's do a proper test. We've demarcated equal sections and marked them. As you can see, it's the same tiles, the same adhesive, and the same skilled worker. We've got the trusty hammer and chisel on the manual side, and we've got the state-of-the-art cordless DeWalt Rotary hammer doing the chipping on the auto side. Start those timers, let's go. The results: chopping out 1 square meter of tiles and tile adhesive. Manual took 12 minutes 58, automatic 6 minutes 34. Now we expected a difference, but half the time is a considerable difference. So for this 200 square meter home, that's about a 2.5 to 3 days saving. If you equate that to a labor cost, it's about 3,000 to 5,000 rand saved. So that should actually pay off the cost of the power tool within about 1 to 2 weeks, depending on the size of your project. It's crazy to think that this is only tile demolition. Think of all the other areas in a renovation. So the tool is not an additional cost. It's a real cost saver, and it shows that the right tools really matter. On that note, get to builders, get it done.